You might be looking around your bathroom and thinking, I should really start a plan to remodel this space, but when do you know it's time to really make this the next project on your list? Katie Dennis with Re-Bath is joining us to give us 3 signs that indicate you should remodel your bathroom now before it gets costly. I think a lot of us would like to remodel our bathrooms, but you're saying that there are really 3 top indicators that, okay, no, you really want to. You really have to do it right now. And it starts with the mirror?
Yes, yeah, that's right. So a couple of things to look for. The first, of course, is noticeable damage, but it's not always all that noticeable. So this time of year is a great time to experiment with this because your bathroom gets really hot and humid. If you walk out of the shower and it just hits you in the face, there's moisture on your mirror, moisture running down the walls, that's a sign that you might have a moisture problem.
Oh,
so what
I thought that was normal.
Yeah.
I thought the mirror thing was normal.
Yep, so what you want is better ventilation and some better products in there to help mitigate that. The next thing to look for is paint and drywall damage. So if you're already seeing that, that's a sign that you want to stop that from spreading. So that would mean that you'd have to replace drywall and other things that you wouldn't have to otherwise.
Okay, good tips. And then, this is gross, black mold. Of course, we know that's dangerous. And then there's pink mildew.
Yes.
I think now I know what sometimes it's like kind of orangey. Is it kind of like orangey in my shower? So
yes.
What is that?
That's right. So it's totally preventable. Unfortunately, it does stay after it appears. So the reason for that is it starts to grow into the porous materials in your bathroom. That's grout, drywall, caulking around your tub. And once it's there, it tends to stay. The other thing to look for is tiny holes in your grout lines. So that could be an indication that water is getting underneath your tile system and into your subfloor, which of course you want to prevent.
I think as homeowners, we don't, at least me, I don't really think about it that much. You know, I just trust that my shower is working properly and my tub's working properly and don't know to look for those things. And you, again, said visible damage isn't the only indicator. There could be things going on that we don't know about.
That's right. So another thing to consider is, are you having trouble moving through the space? So is it difficult to get to the sink when someone else is using the bathroom, when you're washing your hair, are your elbows hitting the walls? Or you might have a garden tub in the middle of the room that you have to clean frequently and you don't even use that tub. Yeah, so those things can take away from your time, of course. Takes a lot of time to take care of those things and to navigate around that space when someone else is in there. And you can't get that time back, so. Yeah,
if it's not like workable and usable, you don't even really want to be in there.
Right.
And that's kind of along the lines of like, if you don't like how it looks, you just don't like it.
Right.
There are plenty of folks, there are plenty of folks who just can't stand their bathrooms.
Yeah, so when your bathroom's outdated, it's telling you its age, right? And of course, it's saying that it needs help. So especially if you're considering selling your home, that is something that you're going to want to do for the value of the home before you list it.
For sure.
There's a reason we love hotel bathrooms, and it's because they're luxurious and they're showstoppers, right? So you want that same effect when someone looks at your listing or comes to visit your home.
Talk about how long of a process it is.
Yeah, so we can install a new bathroom, a complete bathroom, in just a few days. So that's really the only amount of time that you have to worry about having installers in your home. We send 1 to 2 installers to do that project. The only other time that you spend doing anything for the project would be the planning stage, which is 1 appointment.
And that's fun.
Yeah, you get to design your bathroom and you get a price for the project all in the same appointment.
Very good. Well, before we let you go, I want you to talk about the magazine in your hand and also about the deal you have right now.
Yes, so this is Effortless Magazine. This is a great resource if you're just planning. It has lots of pictures in here, so this is definitely something to check out. You can just call us and we'll send that to you. And then in addition to that, anyone who calls to schedule a design consultation in the month of July can receive $1,000 off their project or 0% financing. So whichever works better for you.
Oh, that's terrific. Thank you so much. Good to have you back with us.
Thank you.
And we'll be right back.